Hello and welcome to this video. Tonight I have this intimidating heavy duty padlock for you. It's a sewn padlock that I received from Crispy Bear and it's really heavy. It's steel and it has a very thick shackle, as you can see. And the cool thing on this lock is also that it eats a half Euro cylinder. So you can equip it with any type of Euro cylinder you like. And actually I have another one of this kind of lock. It's a Tesa from Adrian Leon. And here I changed the Euro cylinder and I added a tree lock in it. So it's kind of a combination lock. Tesa combined with tree lock, and have a look at that bidding. Haha, that's a nice bidding. Alright, but it's not Tesa time, it's sewn time. And I show you the key for this lock. It's a 6-pin lock, not too crazy, one deep cut here. Lock works very interestingly. So you insert the key, you turn it and it opens with spring tension, but you can't get out the key, so it's key retaining. But if you attempt to close the shackle, you have to work against the spring tension, but it doesn't close automatically, so you have to hold the shackle against the spring tension and then turn the key. So that's how it works. Alright, so now let me pick it for you and cut it afterwards. Apply tension from the pin side. Just go underneath my tripod. So let's see. I picked it yesterday, just right after the Union from Crispy Bear, and yeah, was not too bad. Let's see how it works out today. Just the lightning a little bit, maybe like so. Okay. Medium tension, and I start with pin 1. Got a click. And another click. So, and another click from 2. And nothing from the other pins. Oh, okay, I think this was, not sure, 5 or 6, and I dropped into a good false set. So now let's check for the spools. Okay, I messed up the first picking attempt and I was also disturbed by my family, so let's try another shot. Start with 1, 2 clicks, we know. 2, got another click, and go straight to 5 or 6. So, false set is back. Now let's check for the spools. One spool is set. Feedback from another spool. Another spool is set, and got a deeper false set now. And there's feedback again. I think this is from 6. Good false set. Okay, this is maybe 3, and open. Yeah. All right. So now let's have a look at the guts. I've not yet opened it. Okay, so that's how it looks inside. Simple and nice. Alright, and we have here some kind of adapter, and just a normal half euro cylinder. All right. Focus. Okay. Need 2 screwdrivers. Let's see if I can get off the clip. I think this is original, so the clip seems to be not yet bent. Okay, lock it back up. It's already locked up, and try to get it off. Yep, now it's off, almost. Now it's off. Okay, take the key and turn it like so. Okay, this should work. All right. So here are all 6 pins. And we have a flat surface here at the shear line, which I think makes it a little bit easier to pick. And we have nice anti-drill pins here. So I expect all key pins to be standard. Oh, this was 6 actually. So, and 5. Yeah, all key pins are just standard. Tweezers. Okay, now let's check for the drivers. One is serrated. 2 is a spool, and oops, another spool with a wafer. Interesting. And we have another spool and a normal one, and I guess another spool. Okay, so that's what we have in the big fat zone padlock. Combination of spools and standard and one serrated. Was a nice and enjoyable pick. So thank you very much for that, Crispy Bear, Chris. Yeah, that's it. So thank you very much for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, we have got a little mystery here. I just pulled out the plug completely out of the housing, and these guys fell out. A spool and 2 master wafers. And I'm not quite sure where they belong to, so I have to figure this out. So maybe this is not a driver pin, maybe this is another master wafer. Yeah, might be. I will think about it and be back. So I reassembled the plug with all key pins. So no master wafer actually required to clear the shear line, as you can see. But we do have a lot of extra pins and wafers here. So I would be just happy to have the spools here in this lock and the serrated. But we have 1, 2, 3 master wafers and one extra small driver pin or master wafer, not sure. Yeah, Chris, interesting situation here. So please, if you know more about why it is pinned up like that, please let me know. Alright, again, thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye. And of course, when I reassemble it, the master wafers will stay out. Okay, I've reassembled the lock, but of course without the master wafers this time. So it's closed and locked up. Let me try to pick it again without this bloody master wafers. Okay, apply tension again from the pin side, and yeah, got a click and another click from pin 1 because this is the serrated. So now let's check for feedback. I'm on pin 2 and something dropped. Of course, pin 1. Okay, it's 4 or so. Something dropped. Of course, pin 1. Okay, get feedback here from the back. Got it. Nice. I think we're getting closer. That's a very nice keyway. So not pericentric at all, and not too restricted. And open. Oops. Alright. Picked again without master wafers. Thanks for watching and happy picking. Bye bye.